Maple's birthday today. She's turning 1 and she's inviting all her doggy friends. Look what's hatching in the incubator. Baby quail. Let's make some streamers to hang up, and maybe even some doggy cupcakes. Here is an easy type of streamer to make. Take a square piece of paper and fold it into a triangle and glue it onto a string. Cut some paper into long strips and staple them through each other one by one. This streamer is very fragile, but it looks very cool. Take a square piece of paper and fold it in half and fold it in half again. Find the middle of the piece of paper and stand it on the table up like a kite. Fold it into a triangle, keeping the middle on the table. One side of the triangle has lots of loose edges. Cut carefully along it. Now cut again, starting on the other side. Make a few more sets like this. Glue the outside of the two papers together. Now glue the middle of the sets together. Yeah, you have a beautiful streamer.
Maple's birthday party. It's gonna be a fun doggy birthday. Smash up the peanuts to make a nice treat. Squish the treats into balls. Dogs will like some peanut butter. Add some peanut butter and don't forget to put the carrots on. Forget to put some peanuts on.
Birthday to you, birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maple. Happy to you. Are you what?
I think she likes the treat.
Goodbye.
See you on the next video.